Hello, you're welcome. Today I would like to show you how to make this bag. We use leather front flap and we have leather sides here, which has a zipper in the middle here, as you see, and it separates to the two sides. And we have sewed the front flap here with this way, and we have the handle for shoulder. Let's see how to make it. For this bag I'll use this front flap, which is about 10.5 inches. This will be at the middle of our bag with zipper. It's inside. And we have this handle with chain and leather mixed. And as a yarn, I'll use this macrame yarn. And I've made it ball. One plastic canvas and linen, and my hook number is 5. Let's begin. I'll begin my work with slip knot, and I'll make 28 chains. Now I have 28 chains. Don't crochet tight. And now I'll insert my hook to the second chain from my hook, yarn over and pull through and pull through. So I have made slip stitch. And now I'll make half double crochet. Again, slip stitch, half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook to the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 3 together. Insert your hook without yarn over here, grab your yarn, pull through the chain and pull through from the loop. So we'll make 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, yes, and 1 slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. The only thing that I want you to be sure that we will begin with slip stitch and we will end with slip stitch. And we have half double crochet and the slip stitch. And now we'll make 2 chains and we'll turn our work. As I said, we will begin with slip stitch and then half double crochet. Now we have the knot here, it seems like a knot. At the right side, slip stitch. At the left side, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet. I want you just to be careful with your wide of your bag, because I want this as wide as my front flap. So my front flap has 10 and 50, I think, and this wide will be 10-50. We'll continue all the way down here, and we'll make about, give me a second, 44 centimeters. And I'll give you the inches also. And as I said, we're making half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, nothing else. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet here, and I find my 2 stitches here, and my last slip stitch. 2 chains again, turn your work and begin with slip stitch, and then half double crochet. We'll do the same until we reach the height we need for our bag. My main piece for my bag is ready. It's about 17 inches here, and it's 10 inches wide. I'll not cut my yarn here at the corner because I have cut my canvas, and I'll make single crochet all around my bag with canvas. If you like, you can make your single crochet all around only, and then you can sew your canvas on your bag. I took my canvas and I made 2 chains, and I changed my hook because the other one is not going through the holes from canvas, so I changed it. I took smaller one. I will insert my hook at the chain here at the stitch, and then to the canvas, and make single crochet at the next stitch. It's about, I will skip 1 and to the second from the canvas, but every stitch for my work. Here it's again 1 to the next, and we'll keep doing this all around. I have finished with my canvas, and now I'll add my front flap, and I'll sew it to the 3rd line. You see I have lines here to the 3rd one, and I'll sew it, and then I'll sew my linen to my bag. It's more easier for me, but you can use which way you want. Either first sew the linen, but don't forget to leave also here. Let's begin. As I said, at the end of the third line I placed my front flap. I made a note here at the beginning, and now I'll begin sewing. Here, as you see, I have sewn my linen also, and I add my catcher here also. If you like, you can leave here without sewing here and add your catcher, and then you can sew after you're making the two sides. And now we'll take our middle part and small crochet hook, because we want to insert our hook here inside. We'll insert our hook and take our yarn, and we'll make single crochet here, one chain, and then insert again at the same stitch and single crochet. To the next, we will make 2 single crochet in each hole. And we'll keep doing this all around until we reach the other side. And we'll make all the side all around until here again the same. And then if you like, if it's too tidy, you can make here 3 instead of 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. It's up to you. I have finished with this part, and now I begin sewing. I have here stitch marker at the middle of my part. It's about 26 stitches in each side, right and left. Then I have my yarn, and I used the half of my yarn, half of my thread, because first I begin from the middle and to the left, and later, after finishing this part, I'll continue with the second part with this thread. I'll insert my needle here in the 2 stitches, and then just to the other side. At the next from here, here, and to the next, and we'll keep doing this until we finished sewing. like this. Here I have sewn 2 sides, here and here also, and I add the handles here, and our bag is ready to use. Thank you very much for watching. See you at the next video. Bye.